Hey y'all, what's good? It's your girl Nai, and I am starting off the shower routine with washing my face. I'm using the CeraVe cream to foam cleanser. This is a really good cleanser to use. Nice, hydrating, deep cleansing, and it does not strip your skin. After I finish washing my face, I'm just going to rinse off my body so we can go ahead and cleanse my skin. So I'm using this oatmeal and coconut scented bar soap that I got from Dollar Tree. It has a really nice light scent. This bar soap is super huge, as y'all can see. It lathers up so freaking beautifully. And yeah, I use this because some of the products that I have in today's video has coconut in it, so I was like, why not? So since this has coconut in it and the scent is very light, it's not going to take away from all the other products that I will be using in today's video. And yeah, I've really been enjoying this bar soap. Very hydrating, very cleansing, and it's bomb. So I'm just using this soap all over the body, making sure I'm getting really good up underneath my arms, and just make sure I get every inch of the body, you know, just to cleanse my skin. And if you made it this far into the video, and if you are new here, hey, my name is Nai, and I would love for you to be a part of this family. So if you can do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, also hit that bell so you'll be notified whenever your girl posts a new video. We are on the road to 2,000 subscribers, and would love for you to be a part of the family. So after I cleanse my body, it's time to go in with my Tree Hut scrub in the scent Italian Mocha. Y'all, oh my gosh, this freaking scrub smells just like coffee, and it has like little black coffee grounds in it. Oh my goodness, I felt like I was inside somebody's coffee shop because like, ooh, it was just smelling too good in the shower. I love the smell of coffee. Like, I need a cup of coffee like every single day. Whether it's iced, warm, whatever. But OMG. But anyways, coffee is really good for the skin. Well, coffee grounds is good for the skin because it helps with firming your skin, and you know, ain't nothing wrong with a little firming and tightening around your little skin. So yeah. But if you love coffee as much as I do, comment down below what's your favorite coffee drink from Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, wherever you go to get coffee from. After exfoliating my skin, I'm using this Suave body wash in the scent coffee and coconut. And y'all, don't mind me, I always go ham with my products, like no matter what it is. But y'all, this freaking body wash did smell really, really good. Like I said, I'm gonna keep saying this. I smell like I was inside somebody's coffee shop. Like, this has got to be by far one of my favorite shower routines that I did, because OMG, like it was just smelling too good, and it's also hydrating as well. It does say that it's exfoliating, but I didn't feel any like exfoliation with it, probably because I was using my African bath sponge. But yeah, all in all, for this being my first time trying a Suave body wash, it was pretty good, and it get 2 thumbs up from your girl. And the scent was amazing, and just look at this lather. This lather is just bomb AF. Now I'm going in with this OGX coconut and coffee body wash, and y'all, this body wash was so freaking creamy. It was so moisturizing. The smell was just the icing on the cake. Like, it's not that overpowering smell of coffee. So if you don't like coffee, I would definitely recommend for you to try this body wash off because the scent is just so creamy and beautiful. And everybody and their mama been talking about this body wash on social media, so I'm glad I got my hands on it. So of course, we got to give our downstairs area some TLC. So I'm using the Honey Pot Feminine Wash in the scent Normal, and I'm going to use that for my downstairs area and also my back end. So now that your girl is all clean and exfoliated, I'm just going to use my towel just to pat my body dry, but also keep my skin a little damp, because I just feel like whenever you do that, it does definitely help with your moisturizer, keeping your skin all nice and moisturized and stuff like that. So I'm using this Dr. Teal's moisturizing body oil in the scent Shea Butter, and I'm just going to apply that all over my skin. The smell of this, it does smell like shea butter. It has that very nutty scent that shea butter has. So I feel like this was very perfect for today's video. It didn't take away from the coffee scent or anything like that, and this body oil was just very moisturizing, and it just left my skin with a nice radiant glow. So now that I am done out of the shower, I'm applying my Arm & Hammer deodorant in the scent Coconut. And this is just a very nice light scent, and the deodorant is also natural. Now I'm going to take my Be Love Coconut and Warm Vanilla scented body cream and just apply it all over the skin. I really like using this body cream. It's nice and thick, very moisturizing. It absorbs into the skin very fast, and also the scent is just so beautiful. It's nice and light, so if you want to wear this to bed, you can, especially if you don't like overpowering fragrances. But yeah, this was just a very beautiful scent, and it definitely paired so well with everything that I used in today's video. So now on to my favorite part of body care, which is fragrances, and I'm using the Maison Margiela replica perfume in the scent Coffee Break. And y'all, oh my god, this freaking perfume smells so freaking bomb, like so good. It's very creamy, it's very vanilla-y, it's very warm, and it does not smell like coffee at all. I do have a video where I did haul this perfume, so if you would like to get more of my thoughts on this perfume, definitely check out that video. But that is all that I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.